Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm overhead. Sweep across the horizon and to your left thigh, repeating on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine, shoulders, arms, and side body. Release and return to center, maintaining your feet in a wide stance. Open your arms wide, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale at center with your arms open wide. Exhale, gently twist. Reaching opposite hand to leg, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, moving through your own range of motion. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance, moving into a diagonal stretch. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Pausing at center, moving into torso circles with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, circle your torso forward and around. Exhale, circle back. Continue flowing with this movement, gradually increasing your range of motion, creating more space and ease through your chest, shoulders, spine, and abdomen. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, moving slowly and gently, allowing this gentle movement to revitalize and nourish your spine. Release and step your feet back to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.